So this is our code for laser security system. So the laser sensor is connected to pin 13, which is input, and I have attached a trigger on that pin is falling. So by default, when the laser is focused, it will return a high pulse, and when the laser is removed from the sensor, the pin will go to low. So on that, I have attached a trigger when the pin goes low. This block will get called and it would start that intruder alert sound.
Intruder alert. Intruder alert.
So this is our laser security system. So here I have a laser pointer which is connected to 5 volt and ground. So signal is 5 volt and this green is ground. So it is connected like signal and ground, which is 5 volt. And then I have a laser detector. So it is connected with ground, signal and VCC. So it is connected to pin 13 like signal, ground and VCC. And here I have connected like 5 volt. So this is our wiring, and whenever somebody crosses this laser fence, it would trigger the alarm. Let's just see the demo.
Intruder alert. Intruder alert. Intruder alert. Intruder alert. Intruder alert. Intruder alert. Intruder alert.
So let's just see it one more time, like if somebody crosses this path, like what happens.
Intruder alert. Intruder alert. Intruder alert. Intruder alert. Intruder alert. Intruder alert. Intruder alert.
And this is how you insert the signal. So this is the flat end, and this backside is your black dot kind of thing. So this is how you insert it. I think this is the detector, but anyway, like it is detecting from this side also. So this is how you insert that sensor.